Closer, based in the Social Research Institute at UCL, brings together expertise in longitudinal research through partnership with 19 UK cohort and longitudinal studies, which follow participants born throughout the 20th and 21st centuries. Partner studies include the Millennium Cohort Study, the English Longitudinal Study of Aging, Understanding Society, the UK Household Longitudinal Study, the 1970 British Cohort Study, and the National Survey of Health and Development. Part of Closer's role is to provide training and resources for students and early career researchers to maximise the use, value and impact of longitudinal studies. The Learning Hub introduces users to longitudinal studies, demonstrates how they can be used to answer research questions, and aims to get more users to feel confident and able to analyse the data that they collect. To learn more about using data from longitudinal studies in your research, visit the Closer Learning Hub.